Hello, this is Ed Rosenthal, and this is my guide to making hash. If you have trim from your harvest, you can make hash from it. We start this process with raw material that has been frozen since harvest.
You have to have a sharp knife, chopped up fine and no whole bud pieces or it won't knock it off when you tumble it, and you can see the frozen crystals already.
Once the material has been chopped, it's time to add water and ice to the mixture.
Don't put your ice in first, because if you put your ice in first in your water, you just melt the ice. And what you want to do is about 1 inch to 2 inches over the top of your leaf matter or your product. You got to remember, we're going to be lifting this physically, so you don't want them too full.
Now the agitation process begins. For this much material, we used a special blade attachment and a heavy-duty drill. A standard drill will not work. The goal is to separate the trichomes from the plant material.
What we're going to do now is just kind of wash the sides off from the agitation. You can see the vegetable matter and foam that stuck to it. And then we're going to let this set for about 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, while the foam settles.
Now the plant material is ready to be removed from the water.
So you see, this is the stuff that you want to get out, and you can see the color of the water here.
Use a strainer to remove the material. Shake it vigorously to remove the excess water. Now that the solid material is removed from the mixture, it's time to filter it through a silk screen. Pour the mixture through the silk screen, leaving only the fine crystals that will make up the hash.
If you look here, you can see the trichomes right here. See the discoloration in the, see them collecting, starting to collect in the bottom? These are all trichomes. Now what you have to do is you have to wash them to the bottom.
The water is removed from the hash by draining and squeezing out the mixture. Eventually, only pure hash will be left. It takes a while for the hash to dry completely, but it's smokable as soon as you're finished. Be careful when handling the hash. It's very sticky. For maximum freshness, keep the hash in a glass container and wear gloves when handling it. Happy hash making!